I'd like to start with one question, that what happens if the next time you need to take one antibiotic, it won't work? Well, this may seem science fiction, but it's an actual reality in our hospitals. I work in the Parrón hospital, and this is happening. So what is that about? This is because bacteria are becoming resistant to antibiotics. So this is a huge problem that is causing more than 5 million deaths per year globally. It's also killing more than 35,000 people only in Spain, and it's also provoking more than 1.5 billion of euros per year of expenses in Europe. But there is a need to find a fast tool to detect these antimicrobial resistances. But don't panic, because we are here to solve that. We are VhID, an artificial intelligence software, not only for identification, but also for the prediction of this antibiotic resistance, which works with an actual equipment that is in 70% of the hospitals of Spain. Let me explain you how does it work. First of all, imagine that you're going to the hospital because you have an infection. So the doctor takes the sample is sent to the microbiology laboratory, and then it's analyzed. And more or less in 60 hours, you will have a specific treatment for your infection. But in these cases, time is so crucial because patients that are suffering from this infection can die in a moment. So what are we proposing today? We're proposing our workflow that when the sample is collected and is sent to our microbiology laboratory, it's analyzed in the equipment that is called mass spectrometer, and then with our software, we have an answer in only 26 hours. So what's the impact about our technology? Well, first of all, we're going to select the best treatment for each case of patient in 50% faster than in the traditional way. Secondly, we're going to optimize the antimicrobial consumption because we're giving the right antibiotic for each patient in each case. Also, we're going to reduce the hospital stay of the patients. And finally, we're going to reduce the healthcare costs up to 70% with our solution. So our business model will be a software as a service in which our clients, mostly hospitals, will pay for an annual subscription in which they will receive different advantages like automatic updates, analytics, and data collection. So we find ourselves with this project in a huge market, which is expecting to grow from today to 2030 in more than 2.5 billion euros. But we are not alone in this race, so we have to differentiate from our competitors. First of all, why you should choose VhID? Because we have the data. We are working in a public hospital, so we have a lot of data collected for samples of all over Barcelona to create our first database and software to analyze these superbugs. Secondly, we don't need an additional equipment because our mainly competitors are private companies that has its own equipment. And in this case, as I said before, almost 70% of hospitals in Spain has this mass spectrometer, it's the equipment. And finally, we're planning to create a software that is full compatible with any device that is existing. So I would like to tell you a little bit about our roadmap. We started the project in 2019 when we decided to enroll in the Santander Explorer entrepreneurship program. And then the pandemic hit us, and we have to stop until last year when we decided to join another entrepreneurship program. And now we found ourselves in 2023. We have been finalists of the innovation program of Parrón, and today we're finalizing this innovation journey. So what is expected out of the future? Well, first of all, next year we want to develop the algorithm and also find a way to protect our technology. In 2025, we wanted to validate it and to create the first MVP. And finally, in 2026, we expect to escalate from Parrón to another hospital of Catalonia and then from the rest of Spain. But all of this wouldn't be possible without our exceptional team of professionals of the microbiology research group, starting with Dr. Juan José González, the head of the group, Guillem, that is a PhD student, Carla, the project manager, and myself as an innovation project manager in the Innovation and Business Development Unit. So I would like to remark that we need an actual tool for identify faster, accurate, and personalized way because according to World Health Organization, our time with antimicrobials is running out. So that's why you have to believe in variety. Thank you very much.